Hey there, did you know that Halloween is the second largest commercial holiday in the US after Christmas? Crazy, right? It's that time of year when spooky meets fun, and kids everywhere are gearing up for some creepy-crawly adventures. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into all the exciting and fun activities that await kids this Halloween. From creative crafts to thrilling games, there's so much to look forward to. So, grab your candy corn, and let's jump into the spooky fun. Now, let's talk about something that might be on a lot of parents' minds as Halloween approaches. Finding safe and enjoyable activities for the kiddos can be a bit of a challenge. With all the options out there, it's tough to sort through what's appropriate and what's not. Plus, we all want our kids to have a blast while being safe, right? Whether it's trick-or-treating or Halloween parties, parents often worry about the best ways to celebrate without the scary stuff. So, what's a parent to do? Alright, let's explore some awesome Halloween activities that will keep the little ones entertained and creative. First up, costume making. Kids can unleash their inner artist by designing their own costumes. Whether they want to be a spooky ghost or their favorite superhero, let them get crafty with some fabric, glue, and maybe a little bit of glitter. Next, how about pumpkin carving? This classic activity is perfect for kids and parents to do together. Grab some pumpkins and carve out silly or spooky faces. Just make sure to supervise when using sharp tools. And hey, don't forget about the seeds. Roasting those can be a tasty treat. Now, let's not forget spooky games. Set up a Halloween-themed scavenger hunt in the backyard or around the house. Hide little treats or creepy decorations for the kids to find. You could also organize a Halloween movie night with some kid-friendly spooky flicks and popcorn. Climax/key moment. But wait, let's talk about the highlight of the season. Many communities host local Halloween festivals, and trust me, you don't want to miss these. These festivals often have everything from haunted houses to costume contests and even hayrides. It's a fantastic way for kids to enjoy the festive spirit while socializing with friends and making new ones. Imagine the excitement of running around with friends, all dressed up, and enjoying the festivities together. So there you have it. From creating unique costumes to carving pumpkins and attending local festivals, Halloween is packed with fun and creativity for kids. This spooky season is all about making memories and enjoying the little things, so let your imagination run wild. Call to action, CTA. Before you go, I want to hear from you. What are some of your favorite Halloween activities? Share them in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more fun ideas to make this Halloween unforgettable. Happy Halloween, everyone!